Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That's an 8-inch round. These are my regularly mixed colors. Just has Floetrol and GAC 800. The recipe is underneath the video. And there's some of my favorites. I am going to use this little scoop to apply some of my base color. I'm going to use some Walmart semi-gloss latex house paint. In the center of my canvas. And I keep thinking I'd like to spread it to the edges. Not all of it, just some of it, to help it go over, you know? And I don't know how that would go, but I'm very tempted. And I do have tools to do that sort of thing, such as Princeton Art Tool Catalyst spatula. Just because paint will lead paint. And I'd like it all to relax to the outside. It's not coating it all the way to the outside though, it's stopping short. Boy, my nose has gotten really sensitive to house paint. There shouldn't be any Floetrol in there. Floetrol's smelled really sour lately, at least in my house. So, weird start, I know. 'Tis what it is. Spread that out a little bit. That'll do. So, I'm going to take my little container and I'm going to use some Prussian blue. Put it right across, hopefully, maybe a little more. I'm not going to worry about that for the moment, I don't think. So I'm going to use my own favorite colors and put some of the Anita's White Metallic in there. It's not coming up very quickly right now. Some of the Anita's White Metallic with Venetian blue in it. Some of my favorite color shifting Purple Flash from Folk Art. Some of my electric blue from Orteza. I'm going for the gold. Am I? I'm going to put my color shifting, excuse me, my color art Hot Orchid on the top, because that's where I want a copious amount of paint. And maybe a little bit of dioxazine purple before I put my Decor Americana 24 karat gold on there. I was going to put some yellow in there, and I could. I don't want it to turn green. I did want to leave some of that Prussian blue showing. And I am going to take my new tool that I put down right here. I made it like my old tools. I used a fatter bamboo skewer. Now I'm going to just use some of the, make sure it's Aussie Cell Activator. It's got Amsterdam Black in it. And I have some white here somewhere. Yep, there it is. Just going to put a little bit of that right in the center also. Let it get spread all over. Oh, I got one of those tails I don't like. I'll have to do something about that. grab. Somebody wants to go out, and I'm not the person to let them out right now. I hid my straws. There we go. I know why I did it too. So now I'm just going to wreck. And wipe. And wreck. And wipe. And when I twist my little skewer, ooh, that's cool. I like that. The Prussian blue always has selled very nicely. I so want to grab this. It's not going to stay anyway because I'm going to turn my turntable. I have more spiraling to do. It sounds dangerous, but I think it's okay. So that's cool. I didn't get quite as much in negative space as I like, but I still like what I've got. I can actually blow into the paint. And decide if I want any more spirals or any more marks at all. And I kind of do. I think one more. Stretching of the Prussian blue might do it. Although I like it so much. I'm really tempted to see what happens. When I just try and blow it out. And I want to do the same thing with the hot orchid. Just because I can. I do believe I did put some GAC 800 into this white. Do I? No? Yes? Maybe? I suppose I can always get rid of it if I don't like it. I kind of like it. It's cute. In fact, I like it very much. I want one more, and I'm not sure what it's going to be, but I think I'm going to indulge my love of the electric blue from Arteza It's okay, my stuff doesn't look like anyone else's. That's pretty much the way it's supposed to be. Twist that one last piece right around in there. Call it good. Tell you guys I hope you come again. There's over 2,200 videos. Organized by topic and genre. And by the 100. And if you need a link and you can't find one, I'm your girl, just ask me. I'd be happy to help. I'm going to work on a larger one of these in a minute, I think. I'm learning every time I do this. Please give me a thumbs up. Did I ask for that already? Oh, oops. Please share. Please watch longer. Thank you for all the compliments that keep my morale boosted. And thank you for the donations that help keep me painting and pay for art supplies. If you shop my Amazon link, that's an assistance also. It's on the link tree, the second blue link under the video. The first blue link will be the instructional video tutorial for making the tiny and simple to assemble acetate tools on bamboo skewers. I have 2 books on the Amazon link because I can, and Unlimited Possibilities. I have apparel. The Gallerist is high-end and investment quality, and it's on the link tree, the top link. Made in Montreal, all over print leggings and, all over print dresses, my mistake. Dresses and kimono tops. The leggings and t-shirts are spring. That's the clothing you see below the video. And Find Out America and Pixels.com are links on the link tree, and there's lots of stuff there. So is my website, my Pinterest, my Instagram, my Twitter links, and my Facebook groups. Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group is for students. The others are for shoppingpixels.com and Find Out America. That would be Expressionist Art Studio Gallery, totes, and more. My email address is below. Show more. When you click show more under the video, you'll find my paint pouring recipe, my cell activator recipe, the email address I talked to. If you're interested in purchasing an artwork, just make a note of the hashtag file number in the title of the video, or the date you saw the exhibition video and the time you saw what you were interested in. I'm happy to help you. If you want to ask me questions, I'll do my best to answer them. My community board is on my YouTube channel. You will find tomorrow's video there. If you are interested in being in the monthly drawing, the prizes are included at the beginning of the exhibition video that's included at the end of every video in the last 20 seconds, and PayPal is the way to get in. If you make a donation to help support the studio's production of videos, you'll be automatically entered. I think that's pretty much it. What have I forgotten? I'm not sure. I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, and they're one-on-one, 4 hours, and information is available if you email me. I will talk to you guys anon. I love you much. I hope you come again. I post 7 days a week. And I'm going to say goodbye for now. Priscilla out. Maybe I should zoom in. I think this will look better without paint behind it. Or around it. See ya. Love you guys.